Good afternoon, Finovate, and thank you for joining us. I'm Isaac Rome, and I lead the mobile division for TIS. With me is Neil Walker, who leads the professional services for the EMEA region, again for TIS. How many of you would like to enable your customers to be able to deposit a check from the comfort of their home, not having to get out of their car, get into their car, go out and get to the bank and actually present the physical check? I'm sure the answer would be most of you. It sounds very easy, but it isn't. The solution isn't just snapping a picture and saying this is a check and it can be deposited. The image of a financial document needs to have a quality assurance behind it, and it needs to be in a very, very specific way to uphold to regulations, to uphold to automatic processing capabilities, and we provide the solution for that. Barclays have already announced a couple of months ago that they are going down this route, and in the year 2014, they will be providing this solution to their clients. The BBC, a few weeks ago, did a feature article about these solutions, and again showed that this is something that the government of the UK is pushing. They even had a demo done by the MP of the Treasury using our software. Didn't even know about it, and someone from the UK branch called me up and asked how our solution actually got to the desk of the MP. I still don't know the answer to that. But basically there is a lot behind us, and TIS is the company that provides the solution for these kind of processes. So we'll move to the demo now to see what a check deposit from the comfort of a home may look like. Neil?
Yep, good afternoon everybody. As Isaac said, in this first demo, we're going to look at the Mobi Check application, one of the applications built on TIS's mobile capture platform. I'm going to concentrate today more on the usability of the system. So as I log into the system, I can see all of the checks that I've previously deposited. But the most important thing is when I go to the camera to deposit a new check, in reality, we're now wanting to interact with a real life business process, and to hold the camera up here and try and capture or snap the check is not going to work. So the TIS application, because of the onboard image quality assurance, is guiding me to take a perfect image of this particular check. And when I'm in the correct place, it's actually taking the image for me, so there's no pressing on the screen to blur the image to move and create a problem. It's actually telling me, because I'm not a very good user, we can't process this check. The corner is folded over. So we're actually, again, quality assuring the process right on the device before it becomes a problem downstream in the business process. So I'm going to take another check. Okay, so we've captured the front of the check. It's asking me to capture the back of the check also. Okay. So process is complete. We've got a quality image. The image is now binarized, so it means it's nice and small. When we transmit it, we don't have a problem. And all I need to do to finish this process is enter the amount of the check, select the account that I'm going to send it into, and hit send. And that's process complete. So over to you again, Isaac.
So depositing a check can become as easy as that. The important part to see again is that the quality assurance and making sure that that image is a good image according to the regulators, legal laws, is actually done on the phone itself. We don't wait for a reply from any kind of server. The next application that we can talk about and discuss is payments, bill payments, again, by just taking a picture of a bill. A bill can be a full page, it can be just the slip, the remittance part. Basically, TIS can process any kind of document through mobile because we do this quality assurance up front. Okay, so we'll move to the second demo, which is for bill pay.
Okay, yeah, so this time, rather than focusing on the usability, which is still built into this application, we're going to capture this bill, and once we've captured it, we're going to see how the mobile capture platform can integrate with a full enterprise content capture system in order to complete this business process, but complete it on the device. So if I submit my bill payment and click OK, we can see now it's going through a process, so it's been received by the processing organisation. If I refresh, it's now in process, and now it's available to verify. So I can actually look and I can see real time on the device information that's been captured from the bill. I can interact with it, so if I need to add additional information or correct any information, I can view that on the device and pick it up. So when I confirm, I've actually completed the whole business process.
The main issue with usability around images in mobile is the quality of the image. Being able to process the document originates from the quality. Being able to automatically extract the data, being able to provide the user with the ability to add information as adding a payee, depositing a check, extracting data from a mortgage document, extracting data from a card, all comes from the quality of the image up front. If we cannot control the quality of the image on the mobile device, then you're always going to have problems. The self-service mechanism isn't going to work. You're going to have unsatisfied clients, and you're not going to get to where you want to with the self-service option. So if you want to take anything away from this presentation, please control imaging at source, and we're the ones who can provide that. Please come visit us at our booth, TIS, right in the middle. Thank you.